sunlight plays. 5 large bedrooms and bright open space. Formal vibes, gourmet style. This kitchen's gonna make you smile. Double ovens, island dreams, palladium windows and skylight beams. Pantry goals, you bet it's true. Cabins, counters, and room for you. Loving life on Laurel Court, more than a house, it's a resort. From the hardwood floors to the backyard view, Lenape Trail just waiting for you. Move right in, no stress, no doubt. This one's got it all inside and now. Primary suite with a spotlight feel. Jacuzzi, tub, and a closet that's real. Ground floor flex with space to spare. Rec room, office, and in-law care. Natural light and a patio dream. Backyard's lush like a magazine. Loving life on Laurel Court. This Verona gem is your passport to comfort, style, and room to grow. With NYC Transit just down the road. Home sweet Verona, don't wait too long, 'cause this kind of magic is all